अभी हम कैकेयी का मेकअप आपको दिखलाने जा रहे हैं। ये कैकेयी का वो मेकअप है जब कैकेयी को भवन में जाती हैं और दशरथ जी से अपने 2 वर मांगने के लिए, वहां पे मेकअप डल हो जाता है। मेकअप के नाम पे कुछ भी नहीं होता है, अपनी ज्वेलरी और ऑर्नामेंट्स सब कुछ हटा देती है, मेकअप भी बहुत डल होता है। उस मेकअप को हम दिखलाएंगे।
So now we are showing the transition of Queen Kaikeyi when she was in her palace, but now she is moving to Kop Bhavan in order to have a discussion with Lord Dasharath and ask for her 2 vardans that she has to ask for her. So here we see that the entire jewelry that she was wearing has been taken off. Her makeup becomes very dull, very low-lying makeup, and more or less we can say it's more of like a no makeup look that she has. And the dress and her attire, it also changes. It becomes all dull black and all like everything is. She has to showcase this feeling that she's very angry, she's very anxious, and she wants to have this straight discussion with Lord Dasharath and get her feelings straight to him.
तो अभी चूंकि ये मेकअप सडन हमें चेंज करना होता है, तो इस समय हमारे मेकअप मैन साहब सारी चीजों को डल कर रिमूव कर रहे हैं सारे मेकअप को।
So because this is a transition that we need to do like on stage very quick, so what our makeup man Mr. Radheshyam does is that he removes certain aspects of it. He removes the eyeshadow and makes it either dull or just remove it completely and makes the lipstick very light, so that and in fact her highlighting cheekbones and the blush, it's also taken off. So it's more of like that her look is all dull, all anxious and annoying, and because she's all annoyed with and wants to have a discussion in Kop Bhavan, it is being illustrated here.
ओके भैया। और इसमें जो कॉस्ट्यूम, इसके पहले कैकेयी जो कि क्वीन थी, तो अपने जो उनकी साड़ी थी वो बहुत रिच थी, ऑर्नामेंट्स वो भी सब हटा के बहुत सिंपल और लुक वाइज जैसे एक उस कैरेक्टर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से एक्सप्रेशन लुक थोड़ा सा डेंजरस हो जाता है, एक क्रूएल हो जाता है।
So previous look of Kaikeyi is more of like a queen's look. So that queen's look can be followed for Sumitra as well as Kaushalya. But when we are moving on to this is a transitional look and it becomes very dull, where all her bright flamboyant costume, her jewelry, it's all removed, and she's into this phase where she's wearing dull black color, her eyeshadow and her eyeliner, it's all flowing and it's like it's not in a certain way. And what her main feature was that she was a queen and she was prim and proper, but now she's none of it because she's moving to the Kop.
एक चीज और मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि जो पहला मेकअप कैकेयी का था, जो रिच मेकअप, ग्लैमर मेकअप, वो कौशल्या सुमित्रा भी सेम उसी तरह का मेकअप होता है उनका, सिर्फ कैकेयी का 2 मेकअप चेंज होता है। ओके।
So as mentioned before, this queen's makeup can be done for Kaikeyi, for Kaushalya as well as Sumitra. It's in the same line because they all are queens. It's only Kaikeyi who undergoes this transitional makeup change for a character.
अभी इन्होंने ये व्हाइटनर से बाल को थोड़ा सा वो व्हाइट किया, तो इस मतलब चूंकि दशरथ की वाइफ तो एज देने के लिए बहुत ज्यादा नहीं, चूंकि कैकेयी छोटी थी तो हल्का सा व्हाइटनर लगा के थोड़ा सा बाल को व्हाइट करते हैं।
Okay. So now Mr. Radheshyam has used certain amount of whitener to her hair that you can see. It's being done so that just to give a tinge of old age to her look, though she was one of the youngest among the queens, but in order to just show that okay, she is a mother of a son and it's little old, so has to have certain streaks of her hair which is grey in shade.
अगर यही कौशल्या को हम मेकअप करते तो मेकअप ग्लैमर होता, लेकिन उनके हेयर को थोड़ा ज्यादा हम वो व्हाइट करते क्योंकि वो एज में बड़ी थी।
So whereas for Kaushalya, who was quite elder to Kaikeyi, her makeup would have been ultra glamorous considering her queenish nature, but her hair would have had more streaks of grey because she is elder to among all the queens.
तो कैकेयी को पूरा गेटअप में हम लोग दिखा देते हैं। ये कोप भवन की कैकेयी।
This is Kaikeyi's entire getup for Kop Bhavan, starting from her hair again, which was, as we are having a comparative draw. Initially, her makeup hair was all prim and proper, all settled or in proper shape and style. Here, it's all it's moving here and there. It's all heavy. Moving further, her eyes, her lips, her cheekbones, nothing has been highlighted. It's all dull. Her eyeshadow has been removed. Her eyeliner, it's because she was crying, or maybe it's because of her anger and anguish that it's all rubbed off, and it's there, but it's not proper. It's not clean. It's not tidy. Further, moving on to her attire and her jewelry. So all her flamboyant jewelry, all a set of rings, earrings, her neck piece, it's all gone. And her attire, which was more of like a very glamorous and very I would say a bright shade of yellow, or any bright shade of color, has transitioned to dark black shade in order to showcase her emotions that she will be undergoing while she is in Coke Bhavan.
ओके तो इसके बाद अगले एपिसोड में हम फिर एक नए मेकअप के साथ, वो भी फीमेल मेकअप होगा, आपके सामने लेके आएंगे। अभी इस एपिसोड में इसको आगे के सेशन में हम डिटेल और डिस्कस करेंगे।
So further, after KK's look, in next session we'll come again with another female character and what her characteristics and her makeup plays a role within it. So for now, that's it for today's session. Moving on, for the next one, we'll have another character whose entire makeup shall be defined again.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Rajani.